one man dared to make a difference. That man was me. I will step behind the camera and take a journey into the unknown. The unknown of the Computer Control Technology Embedded Systems Lab, otherwise known as the CCT layer. What unknown perils face me as I take this plunge I do not know, but one thing I do know is that I will not survive. So I present to you a simple documentary of a day in the life of a CCT. Cautiously, I journey into the CCT's nesting place.
Wait, I gotta get that again.
Cautiously, I venture into the nesting place of the CCTs. Tirelessly, they seem to never stop at whatever it is they're doing. Endless clicking, pointing, clicking and pointing. It seems that nothing ever happens. But once in a while, something doesn't. We must not get too close. They do bite. Let us journey on to the other group. I must approach this beautiful group of CCTs with caution.
Oh my god, Mark.
They are in a heightened state of what I call the zone. Even one mistake, and their entire concentration will be hurled upon me without haste. Let us now journey into the pact. Uh-oh, what was that? I think they caught my scent.
Again, these things I'm not.
Yes, I'm masked.
This information.
Yeah, do the same thing with that one.
What are they working on? Let us get a little closer.